Hey everybody, what's up? So I'm back on the train track. I'm back where I was previously ended. Welcome back. Hopefully you guys like and subscribe, and let's start exploring the train tracks again. So far there isn't really much. There is whatever this junk is right over here. Trash. Get all that trash. That is also very disgusting water. Yeah, if you are not aware of what I do, kind of just look around the train tracks, explore, try to find something good. So far I haven't found anything yet, but maybe today's the day I find something. Man. What's over here? Someone lost their glove. That's nothing. We kind of ended here, so let's hope we can find something in this video. Right off the bat, there is nothing except for all the trash back there. Oh. And that's something. Right off the bat, we have another split track. If you don't remember last video, there was a lot of split tracks, so. Wonder what that is over there. I don't know what's going on over there, so. Yeah. Not sure what's going on over there. Is this some random train track? What was that? An eagle? That was I think that's an eagle. I don't know if you guys can hear it or not, but yeah, that's pretty cool. It's a loud bird. Still hear that? I just hear crows. Oh, we have glass. Glass. I can still hear them. Jeez. Talk about a loud bird. What's this way? Hear him still. We have what appears to be a fenced off location. Get in there, that's basically what's over there. Doesn't seem like much, so let's continue on going this way. About to cross this again. Look, there's double. So I'm about to. Yeah. Just gonna. Oh, that got graffitied. trash. I see another split track over there, but it could just lead into this yard's. But looks like there's two of them. What's that? What the? Is this a vape? Right off the bat. This, and what is this? Bob Blake? And then Patrick Boy. I don't even know what this stuff is. Yeah, first finds. That's kind of cool. First finds. Ew. Nothing around here that I can see firsthand. Oh, whoa. Okay. We actually have something interesting. This train track. Oh my god, I can't go that far in there, but it seems like it just gets cut off anyway, so just gonna try to get past that. What is over here? This is an interesting part. We have what looks to be a pair of woods right over there. What is this? Woods? Sketch, man. This is kind of sketch. Woods are just interesting. I'm not gonna go too deep in there, but sheesh. I like how these planks of wood just come out of nowhere. That's weird. A pair of jeans right over there. That looks to be another track. Hold on, it's tie my shoes. Alright, got him tied. Let's continue on our way. Wow, a lot more cut paths than I thought. Whoa. Just heard that random screech again. What's over here? What? Another one of these weird looking, overgrown trails. I'm not going that far down there, but ow. Ah, I don't think I can go that far deep in there, but that's interesting. 'Cause that was an interesting thing right there. Looks to be a broken case. Looks to be the same track that's like, we have, what is in this forest? Like, I see some stuff in there. Is there even a path? Like, is even this little cut path? Wow. What is this? Shopping cart. Okay, there's also one over there. Wow. Crazy what type of weird stuff there is like in this area. Okay, that was strange. Ah. That looks to be whatever that is. Oh, we have another cut track. So many tracks cutting into each other, and I can't even really go in this one because I don't have the right type of footwear, plus I'm wearing shorts, so yikes. Nothing over here. There's a sock right there. Like, okay, there's this, wow, this track just got obliterated by the overgrown bushes and stuff. Still check it out. There's a little walkway you can walk through. What is this? You see the track comes to a halt right over here. What is this? Power. Don't even know what that is. Ew, it's wet. Whoa. Whoa. Talk about trash. Look at this. Track just kind of cuts right over there, but like, wow, this is a lot of garbage. That's the ruler. fitting ruler. But wow, talk about garbage. Like, wow, that's a lot of trash. Ow. Just trying to cut through here. But yikes. It's a lot of garbage. I thought there was a person just standing there. Alright. I don't see much. Garbage. A lot of garbage around here, I'm surprised. By how much trash is even around here. No one believes this place. Jeez. Have that. Whoa, I slipped. Zip. There's nothing. We're coming up to another street. I'm not sure what that one is. Fantastic. Come to another cut path. Broken lighter. Bookcase. That is yuck. So we have this train track right here. Before I go exploring that way, what's in this box? Nothing. Alright, let's go this way now. Ow. Trip. Odd how this is like a new train track. Not too sure where this one goes. A lot of garbage, trash. Seems like the tracks kind of end over there, so let's go back this way. Let's go back to the main one. Cat bed. There's that thing again. Yeah, there is nothing. Again, I know I say that a lot, but I mean, there's a bunch of buildings and stuff. But there is something over here. What is this? Some more garbage? Just some more trash. Nothing good there. No, there's nothing around. I don't normally know. I don't know exactly what street this is coming up. But I'm gonna take a gander and say it's probably King George. But I don't know. There is nothing around here. Absolutely nothing. Taking some rocks around. See some more garbage. Huh. Oh! No, this is 72nd. Yeah, it's 72nd. Alright. So I think I'm gonna end it here. Got some cool finds and everything. I think I might take those. Hopefully you guys did enjoy the video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe and do all that. And until next time, I will see you.